All right, so we're now going to save a destination, not under home or not under anything that's preset, but a new one. So we're going to go navigation again. We're going to click on destination, and we're going to go ahead and enter a new destination. So we're going to pretend we have a new house number here, or a business. And this is just a random one from my memory. Okay, street is West Sahara. West Sahara, Las Vegas, Nevada. Okay, it's going to come up with the picture over there showing where West Sahara is at, which is correct on Sahara and Rainbow. We're going to click on our address, 5.5 miles away. We are now going to click and start route guidance.
The route is being calculated.
We are then, after we put that in there, going to go to our favorites. Click favorite. We want to go ahead and go to our store destinations.
Please drive to the route shown.
And we want to go ahead and add this in. So we're going to add this new destination in here. 7200 West Sahara. Click on it. Perfect. So that is now in our new destinations. We're now going to click on it. Okay, and now I think we can go up here to change or name or edit entry basically. It's named 7200 West Sahara, so we're going to change its name to Old Porsche, because that is where we used to be located. We're going to click OK. We should be able to go back. Now it's located as Old Porsche in our saved destinations. And I'm just going to go back to our main screen and stop our, let me go back to here, hold on one second here. Stop our destination, that way I stop it there. So now we know it's stopped. I'm going to go back to our favorites, and in our favorite screen down here, Old Porsche stored to our favorites under Old Porsche.